How's your morning going? Great, that's a sufficient time to answer. Mine not so well. So, I've been having some mouse issues. No. So, this is a perfectly good working mouse, except for the receiver. I posted it up on Reddit, detailing some of my problems. The receiver bricked. This morning, woke up to my wife saying, "Hey, come fix this," because her computer's broken, so she's using my laptop. Um, for whatever reason, the receiver for this being plugged in, which is bricked and having weird driver issues, has caused the enter button to to bring up what is it? The stuff, the power settings. All right, so let's see if I can set this spot where it can be used. So I posted on Reddit that I've got mouse issues, and I was gonna try to, see what I could do to make a little tutorial of how to clean out one of these relays here. I've done this a couple of times on this mouse. It is a MX 1100, a very, very nice mouse. Lots of buttons. I love buttons. Lots and lots of buttons I do like. Okay. How am I going to hold this up? With stuff. Great. This goes there. Okay. Neat. So, not neat. Okay. I can do this. It's just a video that's going on the internet, taken with my crappy phone. Alright. So, grab the light source. Oh yeah, right there. So, here is your relay, right? Button down, click, you have signal down, button up, it swaps. It has one in, probably one in and two out for position up, one for position down. Fortunately, this is a mouse I'm going to be using until my new one gets here. This one uses the exact same relay. I don't know if you can read that. This here says Omron. So the problem with this mouse, this is some like Logitech by Dell by Logitech thing. It's not as nice, but the relay in it has been failing and getting kind of squishy. Oh crap! There it is. Okay, so inside that, inside of that we have this lighting. Come on. Yeah, I guess that's about as good as we're gonna get. There we go. And this piece. Okay. I'm getting there. Nope. No. Okay. Everything will end or is fine. No, don't break my camera. Okay. I lost the relay. That's cool. We're gonna junk that one anyway. So, my lighting system is a couple of flashlights in a plastic bag tied to a fan over here. Let's do the fuse lights. Okay. All good? Alright. So, all the stuff we just lost, that doesn't matter. What we're gonna do is open up this one. Please don't fall. Tape. tape will solve this issue. Excuse me for a second as I tape my phone to this desk. That will give me a work area and a set that won't be, and a camera that won't be moving. Tape is wonderful stuff. Okay. Now this can go right there. Okay, grand. So I've got this all taken apart. I'm going to set this aside. Now what you're going to want to do is get a thin knife of some sort. No, don't do that. Okay. So here's my little Swiss Army knife. Excuse me, I need more tape. My theory on getting views behind this video is that if you think I'm, terrible enough at this, there's like a certain verge that it'll eventually pass into comedy, and it'll get more views because of that. Okay. There. No, that doesn't go there. I don't need that there. No, don't be on the screen. No, everything's not breaking for 5 minutes, please. That's all I'm asking. Now this there, and let's shove something in there. Great. This video brought to you by shoving batteries and things to hold them in place. Okay, so now we're back over to here. We're going to take this external housing off. It just has a clip here and a clip here. We just need to kind of shim our way in to one side at least. So carefully. There. We're in. Now we tweak. Oh, didn't see it. Okay, so I'll put it back together. In. Nope. In. This time with my finger out of the way. There we go. So once we get one side kind of kitty corner off, then you go for the other side. If you just try to take this whole thing off and rotate it, you will probably lose some parts. Or at least have to go find them, or stuff will come out of place. Alright, so now let's get this other side off. I wonder how long I have to record on here. Come on. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Now, lift this off, and be careful not to lose that white piece. If you do it carefully, you'll end up with a white piece sitting right there, and that's good. So, you don't need to reassemble that later. I'll put the white piece in this hole here. No, okay. Now, what you want to have is take a toothpick, and here you'll see that that I have kind of whittled it some to make it flat. See, whittle. Whittle it a bit on the opposite sides to give it a flat surface. Take a bit of isopropyl alcohol. Here it is. This one I'm using has a small hole in it. I am inserting the toothpick into the hole slightly, about halfway, holding it there with my hand and shaking it. I would show you this part, except that I don't want to move my camera because you saw why. Okay. So now we have our toothpick, our flattened toothpick, covered with isopropyl alcohol. So let's have a look at this at this thing and see how to clean it, and see what we can do to clean it. So we have relay top, relay bottom. I apologize for my camera being crappy, but once you're in here, you'll be able to see what's going on. So there's a part where it depresses and clicks. Hear that? It's very tiny. Up, down, up, down. Great. So now, the reason it has to be rather thin to get in there is because you want to go on the underside of this piece and kind of scrub it a little bit. Be very, very careful now. You're just trying to remove, bits of wear and little bits of grime and like copper that's, scraped off from the repeated clicking over this time. And you want to press that down a bit and get in there with the fine bit and clean off this top surface and the both on the plate and on the contacts. Again, once you're actually like in here, you'll see what I'm talking about, and it'll make sense. There we go. And that should be all that you need to do. You can like clean this off, or if you want to, if you're having real issues, you can take this entire thing out, but it's a pain to get back in. But it's an option to clean the entire plate and like redo some reshaping on it. And I'm going to end up putting this plate into this relay on this mouse, since they're both Logitech and they happen to have identical or the same model of relays. So that is it. That is how to clean out your Logitech relays. I hope that you enjoyed this video enough to watch for, holy crap, 12 minutes worth. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. Try not to die, and may all of your equipment not die at once on you like it did on me this morning. Oh my goodness. Alright, yeah, parts are in the mail. See ya, bye.